guys, welcome to my channel. It's Missy Mels here. I hope everyone is doing well. So I am out here. I want to take pictures, by myself. It's actually my first time. I've never done this, so it's going to be a bit fun, like I am telling you. It has been snowing today, and you know what, there is a lot of snow out here. So yeah, I just dressed up myself and winter clothes, and as you can see, my makeup right now, it's more winter. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna go out there and start taking my pictures, and it's going to be an experience. And maybe later on I'll start taking my pictures if my little sister is not around. Yeah, I wish if I could record whatever I'm going to be doing, but unfortunately I can't, because I only have one tripod, and which I'm going to put my camera when I'm taking my pictures. So what I'm just going to be doing, I am going to show you the outcome afterwards, guys. And right now I'm just going to show you how it looks out here. Like, I had to drive from my house, so that's like maybe 5-10 minutes away so that I could come and take some pictures here, because it's looking beautiful. Like, it is just looking beautiful. I hate driving obviously when it's snowing, but I thought, let me just sacrifice. Like when you're just passionate about something, you just have to do it. When consistent, you get what I mean? You just gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, so that's all about it, guys. So yeah, stay tuned. Let me show you outside, and then I'll show you the final pictures, guys. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye. Hey guys, so I just finished taking my pictures. I just got home now, and oh my god, I'm actually happy with the result. As I said, I was taking the pictures by myself, so this was like a self photo shoot, and I am actually proud of myself, because the pictures came out really well. Like, they came out really nice, so I can't wait to show you guys. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, and I shall see you all in the next video. Bye, peace and love.
Oh.